The dark side of AI. How artificial intelligence is failing mental health. Artificial intelligence (AI) has made significant strides in various fields, promising to revolutionize industries and improve our lives. However, when it comes to mental health, AI falls woefully short. While some proponents champion AI's potential in this realm, the reality is that AI's current applications and limitations in the field of mental health do more harm than good. From flawed diagnosis to data privacy concerns, AI's negative impact on mental health cannot be ignored. 1. Misdiagnosis and inaccurate assessments. AI algorithms designed to diagnose mental health conditions often rely on incomplete or biased data, leading to misdiagnosis and inaccurate assessments. Mental health is complex, and relying solely on data-driven algorithms without considering the intricacies of individual experiences can lead to devastating consequences. AI's inability to grasp the nuances of human emotions and subjective experiences can result in incorrect diagnoses, inappropriate treatments, and an exacerbation of mental health issues. 2. Lack of human connection and empathy. One of the fundamental aspects of mental health support is human connection and empathy. AI, by its very nature, lacks genuine emotions and the ability to provide meaningful human interaction. Chatbots and virtual therapists may offer convenient accessibility, but they cannot replace the understanding, empathy, and compassion that human therapists provide. Mental health struggles require human connection, and AI's mechanical responses fail to address the emotional needs of individuals in distress. 3. Ethical concerns and privacy issues. AI applications in mental health raise significant ethical concerns and privacy issues. AI algorithms are built upon vast amounts of personal data, often collected without consent or adequate safeguards. The sensitive nature of mental health data makes it particularly vulnerable to exploitation and misuse. With AI, there is a constant risk of data breaches, unauthorized access, and the unethical use of personal information. Such breaches not only violate privacy but also contribute to increased anxiety and mistrust among individuals seeking help. 4. Reinforcing stigma and discrimination. AI algorithms, when trained on biased or limited datasets, can perpetuate and amplify existing societal prejudices. If the training data reflects biased stereotypes or discriminatory practices, AI systems can inadvertently reinforce these biases when providing mental health support. This can lead to further stigmatization of certain conditions or marginalized communities, hindering progress toward creating inclusive and equitable mental health services. If you enjoyed today's video, hit subscribe for more content like this. Join our community, stay updated, and never miss out on the fun. Click that red subscribe button now. Let's build something awesome together.